Hello everyone, and welcome back to another drawing time-lapse. Today's drawing was requested by one of my subscribers. They wanted me to draw a mandala. They said they wanted to see me do it with my Noodlers fountain pen. The ink that I'm using is called the Red Dragon. As I was drawing this, I noticed that symmetrically it wasn't lined up on all sides, but then I remembered it was supposed to be like a doodle. So it didn't really matter if it was asymmetrical or symmetrical on all sides. So I just added some random shapes, and I don't know what was going through my mind when I was drawing this, and most of the time I don't really remember what I was thinking about while I was drawing. I kind of just zone out and just let it flow and make whatever. But anyways, the pen I'm using here, I've only used it one time before today, and I bought it a couple months back, and I just never got around to using it yet because I've got so many different art supplies and so many different pens, and I've been using my rotring isographs a lot recently. Really like those. But this fountain pen here that I got, I love the color of it, the red and the black. It's very aesthetically pleasing to look at to me. I like how the black swirls kind of go around the pen. But anyways, I want to thank the subscriber for this drawing suggestion, and if you have any more drawing suggestions, just let me know in the comments down below. But for now, you have a good night, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.